Welcome to Product Critique, where we showcase the best products to enhance your kitchen experience. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen gadgets, specifically focusing on the best defrosting mat for frozen meat, the YUNDOOG defrosting tray. A must-have tool for every household, this innovative tray promises to make your thawing process both rapid and safe. The YUNDOOG defrosting tray is a game-changer for anyone tired of waiting hours for frozen meat to thaw. Its large size offers ample space for various cuts of meat, from chicken breasts to steaks. Made from a special aluminum material, this tray utilizes natural heating principles to speed up the thawing process without the need for microwaving or running water. Imagine this. You come home, and you realize that you forgot to take the meat out of the freezer for dinner. With the YUNDOOG defrosting tray, you can simply place your frozen meat on the surface. Thanks to its heat conductivity, the tray draws heat from the surrounding environment, thawing the meat evenly while preserving its texture and flavor. But what sets this defrosting tray apart from other thawing methods? First and foremost, it's incredibly efficient. Depending on the thickness of your meat, you can expect it to be fully thawed in as little as 30 minutes. This is often quicker than traditional thawing methods, which can take several hours or even longer if you're using cold water. Safety is another key feature of the YUNDOOG defrosting tray. Unlike using a microwave, which can cook the outer layer of the meat, or submerging it in water, which can lead to bacteria growth, this tray ensures your meat stays in the safe temperature zone while thawing. It's ideal for health-conscious individuals looking to keep their meals both delicious and safe. Now, let's talk about its design. The YUNDOOG tray is sleek and lightweight, making it easy to handle and store. Cleaning is a breeze. It's dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort after your meal prep. Plus, its modern look means you can leave it out on your countertop without compromising your kitchen's aesthetics. Once your meat is thawed, you can seamlessly transition to cooking. Whether you're grilling, frying, or baking, this tray ensures your meat is perfectly ready for the treatment you planned. It's the perfect assistant for those who love to cook but need a nudge in the right direction when it comes to meal prep. In conclusion, the YUNDOOG defrosting tray truly stands out in the crowded market of kitchen gadgets. It's a smart investment for anyone who values convenience and quality in their cooking routine. So why wait? Transform your kitchen experience today with the best defrosting mat for frozen meat. Thank you for tuning into Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful product reviews and kitchen tips. Happy cooking!